Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Select sketch, select front plane, create two circles, give the dimensions 50 mm, this is also 50 mm, pitch is 85 mm, give the horizontal constraint, select your slot, give the dimensions 27 mm, length is 40 mm. Create one more circle here, diameter 12.5 mm. Select center line, create one center line, give the dimension 15 degree. Select line, give the constraints here, give parallel constraint first, then it is already tangent. This line length is 48 mm, this length is 45 mm. Select your 3-point arc, give the dimensions 100 mm. Join by line here, give the tangent constraint, trim the lines, give the dimensions, select line, give the dimensions here to here 25 mm. Select line, create line like this, give the dimensions, this height is 35 mm, 40 mm. Create circles here, give the dimension. This is 16 mm. Trim the unwanted lines. So sketch is fully defined. You can trim the unwanted lines. Finish sketch. Extrude. Here give symmetric. Dimension is 16 mm. Okay. Select sketch here. Extrude. Select this face. Select mid plane again. 45 mm. Select sketch again. Extrude. Select this face. Here select offset. Give the dimension 8 mm. Here up to surface, select this surface. Again select extrude. Select same sketch, extrude. Select the same face, reverse the direction. Here select offset again 8 mm. Reverse this offset. Here select up to surface, select this surface. For ISO you can press Ctrl 7. So you can compare it to the drawing, friends. If anything is missing, please leave the comment below. And also if you like this session, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We can assign the material now. Appearances, metal, steel, polished steel. So go to edit appearances, select the color, which color you want here. Ctrl 7 for ISO view. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope you like this session, and also I am requesting everyone, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session, friends.